An eclipse is a brief but amazing event in the sky when the sun or moon gets blocked or darkened. A solar eclipse happens when the sun is blocked by the moon. During the eclipse, you can see the sun gradually disappear as the moon passes in front of it. If you are located in the right part of the Earth, you will see the moon block the entire sun and the whole sky darken for a few minutes. The time when the sun is totally covered is called total solar eclipse. Let's look at this from another perspective, out in space. We can see the sun shining onto the moon and the Earth. As the moon passes by the Earth, it blocks a little bit of sunlight and casts a shadow onto our planet. Anyone located inside that shadow would see the moon perfectly lined up with the sun, totally blocking the sun's light. People outside that shadow would see the moon only partially covering the sun. What causes a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the moon is darkened by the shadow of the Earth. We are used to seeing the moon go through phases, which are caused by the changing angle of the sun and not the shadow of the Earth. But during an eclipse, we see the moon slowly disappear as the Earth blocks sunlight from reaching it. If the moon passes completely inside the Earth's shadow, it goes totally dark with only a faint red glow. This is a total lunar eclipse, sometimes called a blood moon. To see what's causing the red glow, let's take a look from the moon's perspective. The Earth is blocking any direct sunlight from reaching the moon, but a small amount of light shines through the Earth's atmosphere, where the blue colors are absorbed, and only the red light makes it through. This filtered red light from the atmosphere shines onto the moon, giving it the soft red color. We don't see solar and lunar eclipses every month. As the moon goes around the Earth, its orbit is slightly tilted with respect to the sun. That means that most of the time, when the moon passes in front or behind the Earth, it's a little too high or low to be perfectly aligned with the sun. A couple times per year, its orbit will put it at just the right angle to line up with the sun and create an eclipse. By carefully measuring the orbits of the moon and Earth, we can predict when the alignment will be just right for an eclipse to happen.